Have you ever climbed into bed feeling exhausted, yet your body refuses to fully settle? Your eyes are heavy, but your stomach feels uncomfortable. There's a sense of fullness, pressure, or mild bloating, and even though you sleep, you wake up feeling like your body never truly powered down. If that sounds familiar, I want to share something extremely simple you can try tonight. Welcome to Thrive and Shine, a channel dedicated to helping you build true inner strength and natural outer glow. Here we focus on simple exercises, healthy daily habits, and trusted natural remedies that support your body from the inside out. No shortcuts, no extremes, just gentle healing, growing confidence, and lasting wellness. If you want to feel energized, age gracefully, and shine from within every day, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Thrive and Shine, and let's grow healthier and brighter together. It doesn't involve supplements, powders, or complicated routines. It's a small spice you already have at home, a single clove, that tiny dark brown bud sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet. Tonight, you take just one, place it in your mouth, chew it slowly to release its natural oils, swallow it with a bit of water, and then go to bed. What happens next may surprise you. When you sleep, your body doesn't shut off. It shifts into its deepest repair phase. This is when your digestive system resets, your nervous system recalibrates, and inflammation begins to calm down. But if your gut is irritated from the day, filled with trapped gas, fermentation, or leftover undigested food, it can quietly keep your nervous system on high alert. That low-level discomfort sends stress signals to the brain, making it much harder to enter deep, restorative sleep. This is where clove works in a very unique way, because it supports both the digestive system and the nervous system at the same time. Clove contains a powerful natural compound that helps balance the microbial environment in the gut. When unwanted bacteria or yeast begin to overgrow, they produce excess gas and byproducts that cause pressure, bloating, and that restless feeling in the abdomen at night. By helping keep these microbes in check, clove reduces excessive fermentation, so your gut feels calmer and less distended when you lie down. Clove also helps the muscles of the digestive tract relax. When gas becomes trapped, the intestines can tighten, creating that uncomfortable, swollen sensation that makes it hard to relax in bed. Clove gently encourages movement, allowing gas to pass more easily so the abdomen doesn't feel tight or heavy. This alone can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable your body feels at night. Another important benefit is digestive stimulation. Clove encourages saliva production, supports stomach acid, and activates digestive enzymes. This helps your body finish breaking down food more efficiently instead of letting it sit and ferment overnight. When digestion is smoother, your system isn't working overtime while you're trying to rest. But the effects go beyond digestion. Your gut and your brain are deeply connected through a major communication pathway known as the vagus nerve. This nerve carries signals from your digestive system straight to your brain, influencing mood, stress levels, and sleep quality. When the gut is irritated or inflamed, it sends distress signals upward, keeping your nervous system stuck in a more alert, defensive state. This is the opposite of what you want at bedtime. When the gut calms down, the signals change. The vagus nerve begins sending messages of safety and relaxation. This helps shift your body into the parasympathetic state, the mode responsible for healing, relaxation, and deep sleep. Clove supports this transition by reducing irritation and gently soothing the system. Many people also notice a subtle warming or comforting sensation after taking clove. This can feel grounding and calming, helping the body let go of tension and ease naturally into sleep rather than forcing it. So what might you notice by morning? You may wake up with less bloating and pressure. Morning gas may be reduced. Bowel movements can feel smoother and more complete. Your stomach may feel lighter instead of heavy or unsettled, and perhaps most importantly, you may feel like your sleep was deeper and more refreshing, as if your body actually had the chance to reset. The process is simple. Just one whole clove, about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Chew it slowly to release the oils, then swallow it with water. That's it. You don't need more, and more is not better. Clove is very potent. If the flavor is too intense, you can lightly crush it and swallow it with water instead of chewing. This is not recommended for people with active ulcers, severe acid reflux, or anyone taking blood-thinning medications without medical guidance. But for most people, this is a gentle, natural way to support digestion and calm the nervous system at night. I encourage you to try this on an evening when you can pay attention to your body. Notice how you feel when you lie down. Notice how you sleep, and notice how you feel when you wake up. Sometimes the most powerful improvements in sleep and overall comfort come from the smallest, simplest habits done consistently. I wish you and your loved ones continued health and balance. Feel free to share your experience, and as always, take care of yourself and make today a great day. Remember, real change comes from small, healthy choices repeated every day. If today's video helped even a little, imagine what staying connected can do over time. Subscribe to Thrive and Shine for simple exercises, healthy habits, and natural remedies to support your inner and outer glow. If you found value here, like and share this video with someone who could benefit. Thanks for being part of our community. Keep caring for yourself, keep moving forward, and keep shining.